So what I have here is gypsum. Now I'm going to explain how to use this and why you should use it. So it tells you right here, it improves your soil condition by adding nutrients such as calcium and sulfur. Commonly used to reduce soil compaction and increase drainage in heavy clay soils. Gypsum is also used to help remediate and revitalize sodic or saline soils. Now, saline soil, that just means salt. And I live here at the beach in San Diego by the Pacific Ocean, and we do have a lot of salt in the air. And what happens is that salt will accumulate, and as the water evaporates, that salt is left behind and it's in your soil. So it's very important to add gypsum if you live near a coastal region. You can get this in a powdered form as well. This is a granular. Let's get a little more. So we'll go ahead and just sprinkle this around. You can take your hand, whatever is easiest. Get a nice amount. Just try to do the same amount everywhere. Then we can water this in. So I'm doing it around this apple tree right now. So that'll loosen up all the soil around here. And we have a citrus tree here. Try not to get it in just one spot. Over here we have a peach tree. So I'll use up this entire box because I have some more planting areas in the front yard as well. Again, you can get it in the powdered form, but it kind of blows around. So I like to just use my hand and kind of sprinkle it around. See how much more we have in here. Yeah, so I'll use up this whole box, 5 pounds. Let's make sure, get some more over here. All right, guys, so that's about it. Got all of the gypsum spread out, used this entire box up, and now I just want to go ahead and water this in. Water that good. All that gypsum can soak down into the root zone. So be sure to soak it really good after you do the gypsum. Also, you can use this when you're planting the actual trees or plants. Put a handful of the gypsum in the actual hole. Especially if you have clay. This is something that you just do not want to leave out if you have clay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So until next time, keep on growing organic, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.